For the factory Ford Explorer wheel rims, the wheel width is smaller than the aftermarket 4x4 wheels. When there is an increase in wheel width and a lack of backspacing, the Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be used to adjust the offset and increase the backspacing.
If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offset, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually, the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, hub-centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. For 1-inch wheel spacers are exactly safe, especially since they are hub-centric wheel spacers. As they thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-centric rings. This hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels perfectly fit the corresponding hub flange. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. If you are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of wheel spacer would be perfect for those wheels. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacer provides improved stability and better appearance. The wider track gives you better control on the road. BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are made of virgin process, have higher strength, and are more suitable for driving in different environments, reducing the issue of spacer failure. Meanwhile, the aluminum wheel spacers are much lighter than steel ones, which effectively ensures driving safety. Modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.